Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear students, today we shall study about cell division, an essential life process. Dear students, can you tell what happens to the cells of injured tissue? When someone gets injured, the cells in that particular tissue get damaged. If injury is too severe, then it causes cell death and cells may lose their ability to repair themselves. Do the plants get injured? When do we pluck the flowers? How are those wounds healed? Yes, plants gets injured when we pluck flowers. Meristematic tissues present in plants gives rise to new cells at the site of injury and help plants to heal their wounds. Whether new cells are formed during healing of wounds? Yes, new cells are formed. How does growth of any living organisms occur? Does the number of cells in their body increase? If yes, then how? Growth of any living organisms occurs by cell division. The number of cells in the organism's body increases by mitosis, cell division. How are new individual of a species is formed from existing one of same species? Organisms gives rise to another organism of the same species by the process of reproduction. Before study the cell division, we should know the structural organization of animal cell. Let's recall the organelles of animal cell. Here see in this diagram, there is a nucleus at the center. Other than this, there are different organelles present inside of the cytoplasm. They are ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and Golgi apparatus. Cell division is one of the very important properties of cell and living organisms because without cell division the growth of body is impossible. Let us see some significances of cell division. Number 1, meiosis, a type of cell division which helps in haploid gamete formation, which is essential for sexual reproduction. It helps in maintaining specific chromosome numbers. Then what exactly we mean by this? We mean that every species has fixed number of chromosomes. Like human beings, the number of chromosomes is 46 or 23 pairs. How these 23 pairs of chromosomes numbers are maintained? Sperms bring 23 chromosome and egg also brings 23 chromosome. When they fuse during sexual reproduction, that is during fertilization, when the zygote is formed, the zygote has 23 plus 23, that is 46 number of chromosomes. Next is, when meiosis takes place, there is a crossing over, that is exchange of genetical material which is very important to brings out variation. That means in a population we see differences like different heights, different eye colors, different hair textures. So these are variations. Meiosis helps in cell repairing. Multicellular organisms grows up. New organisms are formed from the existing ones. Emaciated body can be restored. Next point is types of cell division. There are two types of cell division as mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells or stem cells while meiosis occurs in germ cells. Let us see the meaning of somatic cells, stem cells and germ cells. Somatic cells. In Greek word, soma means body. For example, different organs like heart, kidney, liver, lungs, brain, etc. Any biological cell in body of multicellular organisms are called somatic cells. Stem cells. These are special type of cells present in the body of multicellular organisms. These cells has ability to give rise to all other type of cells in the body. Germ cells. These cells produce reproductive cells like gametes. Gametes are of two types, female gamete, egg cell or ovum, and male gametes are sperms.